Hello all, I'm just going to do a quick brief introduction to Zotero and managing your citations. So Zotero, which I have loaded up here, is a desktop app, or you can use it through your web browser. And essentially it's a great place to download PDFs, organize them in this fashion. You can also download other types of documents. And what it'll do is once a document is uploaded, it'll create this parent item here that has all of the item types, the title of the paper, various authors, abstracts. It'll even link the DOI and other things here, which is great because you can actually import citations. So, for example, if I just open up a document here, we can see that there's the full PDF is uploaded as well into the viewer, as well as all of the side information. Now, something we can do is copy a citation here, and we can copy it in various formats. You can actually go to the settings in the preferences, and you should be able to select which type of citation style you'd like. You can also add additional styles, which are uploaded online, and I believe you have the ability to create your own as well. Now, something that's also interesting is that through this desktop app, you can download the word processor add-ins, which means that you can easily transfer all of your citations over to a document. Just as to show you where you can go to find this stuff, you can go to zotero.org. You have the download for Windows here. I believe there might also be a Apple OS version. You can also install the Chrome connector, and it'll just appear up in your bar when you want to save something. If you're on a web page, it will save a citation to your library. It also saves the stable link and everything else you'll need to access that information. And then when you get to the word processor plugins, you can download those directly to your word processor. For example, here, I've made just a line here that's just, I need to add a reference. I can do that in a couple ways. If I go to Zotero here, I can add or edit a citation. You select the citation style for the first time in a document. I'm just going to cite one of my own papers here, just show you how it works. You type in part of the citation. You can also type in part of the title, and it should come up with various different citations. So if you want to add in 2 citations, you can do that. When you're done, you hit enter, and it'll add in the citation as the in-text citation as you entered into the saving part. What this also allows you to do is to just add in an entire bibliography. So notice it did it just where I had my cursor, but if I create a references section, it will start adding those in underneath my references. If I start placing them here, let's say here is another line. I want to add in another citation. Something you can do is add this to your quick access toolbar. I've already done that. So every time I need a new citation, I'll just go ahead and do that. And you'll notice it populates in alphabetical order in the format that I've selected. And so there we have a very easy way to add in an in-text citation linked to your Zotero account. It will also upload all of your information in that bibliography format in your references. If you see errors here, it's because of the metadata in Zotero. So let's say one of these authors was misspelled, and sometimes it has difficulty parsing apart information based on the PDF format, especially if it's an older text that doesn't have embedded text. So you can make an edit here, refresh this system, and then refresh your Zotero link within this bibliography, and it will update with all of the new information so that you have the correct citation in place. Like I said, when you cite off of online as well, when you make this, hit this button, save it to your library, it will end up populating in this library here. You can see I've already found it. There's no author information, so there's only a limited amount of info that will populate here depending on the style and format of the online citation you're trying to make. In any case, these update back and forth. You can also access your entire references online through Zotero.org, as they have an online, you have the online ability to explore the same Zotero information that is in the desktop version. In any case, I hope this makes your citation making and bibliography making easier within whenever you're writing a paper or something that needs correct citations. Just to make it one more thing, let's say I did a search on Google Scholar for chlorophyll fluorescence, and I download this PDF. Once this PDF is downloaded, I may want to save this to Zotero. So what I can do is just grab that PDF, go to Zotero, and just drop it up here. What we should see is this populating. Here's the name of the file. And then now it is parsed apart and all this metadata exists over here. And I'm able to view and read the whole document. All right, I hope that was helpful.